Today, we are going to tour 12245 West Jackson Street in Avondale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Here is a quick look at the surrounding homes. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Avondale, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Avondale. This beautiful single-story home is nestled within the highly desirable Coldwater Springs Golf Course community. With an impressive 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout, the home is thoughtfully designed with both versatility and comfort in mind. Offering over 2,000 square feet of living space, it delivers an ideal combination of open-concept flow and defined areas for daily living. Just off the front entry sits a versatile bedroom, perfectly suited for a guest room, home office, or creative space. The light-filled entryway opens to a spacious formal living and dining area, an ideal place for entertaining guests or enjoying cozy evenings with loved ones. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. The heart of the home lies in the open-concept kitchen and family room. The kitchen features rich maple cabinetry, a central island perfect for gathering or prepping meals, and generous counter space. It seamlessly connects to the family room, allowing for an effortless flow that supports both entertaining and everyday life. Just beyond the family room, a large glass door leads you outside to your private backyard retreat. The backyard is an entertainer's dream, complete with a spacious covered patio that's perfect for enjoying morning coffee or hosting guests. Throughout the home, you'll find tile flooring in key areas like the kitchen, bathrooms, and entryway, adding style and durability. As a bonus, minor exterior improvements and touch-ups are currently underway to ensure the home looks and feels its absolute best for the next resident. Tucked privately away, the generous primary bedroom is a peaceful retreat featuring a spacious walk-in closet and a luxurious ensuite bathroom with dual vanities, a garden-soaking tub, and a separate walk-in shower. Situated on a large corner lot, the home even includes an RV gate for additional access and flexibility. Here we have a dedicated laundry room, outfitted with cabinetry to keep your essentials organized, making daily chores just a bit easier. The west side of the home includes 2 spacious guest bedrooms and a full bathroom. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Other wonderful features of this home include a sparkling private pool, ideal for Arizona summers and weekend relaxation, and a backyard with mature trees for shade and ambience. Thank you for watching today's tour. We appreciate your time and hope you found it helpful in your search. Have a great day!